The universe is full of wonders. For centuries we have gazed at the stars and pondered the mysteries of the cosmos. Now a new frontier is opening up before our very eyes, the age of artificial intelligence. Prepare to be amazed. ChatGPT can now process visual information. Yes, you read that right. The same technology that generates human-quality text can now see and interpret images. This groundbreaking development has shattered the boundaries of what we thought AI could do. It's like giving a telescope to a supercomputer. Suddenly, the universe of data expands exponentially. We are witnessing a paradigm shift in the world of AI, a quantum leap forward that promises to reshape our technological landscape. This is not just about recognizing objects in an image, it's about understanding the context, the relationships, and the stories that images tell. Imagine a world where machines can analyze medical images with the precision of a trained radiologist, or where self-driving cars can navigate complex environments with human-like intuition. This is the power of visual AI. For years, artificial intelligence has been confined to the realm of text and code, limited by the constraints of language and written data. Like prisoners in Plato's cave, AI systems could only perceive the world through the shadows cast by language, unable to grasp the full spectrum of reality. They could generate text, translate languages, and answer questions, but their understanding of the world remained limited, confined to the textual shadows. This reliance on text-based data created a bottleneck in AI development, stifling its potential to truly understand and interact with the world. The richness and complexity of the visual world, with all its nuances and subtleties, remained elusive, just out of reach for AI systems. Imagine trying to understand the beauty of a sunset or the emotions on a person's face solely through written descriptions. It's an impossible task. It simply cannot capture the full essence of the experience, the depth of colors, or the subtleties of human expression. ChatGPT's newfound visual capabilities shatter this barrier, breaking free from the chains of text. By integrating visual information into its understanding of the world, ChatGPT can now access a vast and untapped reservoir of knowledge, enhancing its comprehension. It's like teaching a computer to not just read, but to see, to perceive the world in all its vibrant complexity, bridging the gap between text and vision. This breakthrough opens up a universe of possibilities for AI applications, from enhancing creativity and design to revolutionizing healthcare and scientific discovery, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. The only limit is our imagination as we embark on this new frontier of AI capabilities. Language is a powerful tool, one that has shaped human history and culture in profound ways. It allows us to communicate ideas, share stories, and build civilizations, connecting us across time and space. But it is also inherently limited, constrained by the boundaries of words and grammar. Words are just symbols, abstractions of the real world, and they often fall short of conveying true meaning. They can never fully capture the richness and complexity of our sensory experiences, the depth of our emotions, or the nuances of our thoughts. Think about trying to describe the taste of chocolate to someone who has never tried it. It's a challenge that highlights the limits of language. You might use words like sweet, bitter, or creamy, but these descriptions can only go so far. They are mere approximations. They cannot convey the full sensory experience of tasting chocolate, the way it melts in your mouth and the complex flavors that unfold. The same limitations apply to describing colors, sounds, smells, and countless other aspects of our world. Our language struggles to encapsulate the full spectrum of human experience. This is where visual AI comes in, offering a new way to bridge the gap between words and reality. By processing visual information directly, AI systems can bypass the limitations of language and develop a more intuitive understanding of the world, one that is not bound by words. They can learn to recognize patterns, identify objects, and interpret scenes in a way that was previously impossible for text-based AI, opening up new realms of possibility. This ability to see the world opens up exciting new possibilities for AI applications, allowing them to tackle tasks that were once considered the exclusive domain of human intelligence, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. The ability of ChatGPT to process visual information is nothing short of remarkable. This capability has opened up new possibilities in the realm of artificial intelligence. It represents the culmination of years of research and development in the fields of artificial intelligence, computer vision, and deep learning. These advancements have paved the way for machines to interpret and understand visual data. But how exactly did ChatGPT learn to see? What processes and technologies were involved in this groundbreaking achievement? The answer lies in a sophisticated combination of algorithms and data. These algorithms are designed to mimic the way the human brain processes visual information. ChatGPT was trained on a massive dataset of images and text, allowing it to learn the associations between visual patterns and their corresponding linguistic representations. This extensive training enabled the model to understand and interpret complex visual data. Through a process called deep learning, ChatGPT's neural networks develop the ability to recognize objects, identify scenes, and even understand the relationships between different elements within an image. This process is akin to how humans learn from experience. Imagine showing a child a picture of a cat and telling them this is a cat. Over time, the child learns to recognize the cat by its features. Over time, the child learns to associate the visual features of a cat, its pointy ears, whiskers and tail, with the word cat. This learning process is fundamental to understanding visual information. ChatGPT's learning process is similar, but on a much larger and more complex scale. The model processes vast amounts of data to achieve a high level of visual understanding. This training process equipped ChatGPT with a powerful set of visual recognition capabilities. It can analyze and interpret images with remarkable precision. It can identify objects with impressive accuracy, distinguish between different breeds of dogs, and even recognize human emotions based on facial expressions. This level of understanding is a testament to the advancements in AI technology.